This is LENOVO Tab M7, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So to begin with, as you can see, my parental controls are indeed active. So from here you gotta enter the Google category at the Settings app. So obviously you gotta begin with launching the Sage Settings app, then go for the Google category. In here, tap at the Manage Your Google Account button. Onwards, at the Google Management Center page, go for the Data and Privacy. Then scroll the page all the way down. Tap at the Delete Your Google Account option. In order to proceed onwards, you will have to enter the password to the child's Google account. That is exactly what I'm going to do now. Then at the following page, check those two boxes and tap at the Delete Account button to your bottom right. So well, more or less at this point, the parental controls were successfully switched off. So let me double check that real quick. Yep, as you can see, there is no Google account linked, and if I will open the parental controls, there should be none. Or simply the system bugged a little, which is normal, and it still shows that those parental controls are active, but well, you gotta trust me that they are not already. So this time it actually have been loaded properly. So as you can see, no parental controls in place. So now the final thing that you need to do is to restore or recover the Google account, which you can do by signing in with it to any Google service. In my case, I'll show you how you can do that using the Play Store app. If you have done everything right up until this point, you should get the following message. So now you can proceed, enter the password, then most times you'll get the something went wrong message. That's completely fine. Just redo the login procedure. So enter the email address, then enter the password, and usually second time around the Google lets you proceed, or well, lets you go through, and well, you will have a chance to attend like a regular Google sign-in procedures, like accepting all the Google services and what's not. So as you can see, this time everything went smoothly. So the Google account was recovered, the parental controls were deactivated. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.